Pokey, the forest fire preventing bear, with a mighty important message for you.
It's very rare in history that you have one kind of originating moment. In a way, it's a kind of creation story for explaining who we are.
In the spring of 1910, the Earth passed through the tail of Halley's Comet. The comet's appearance in the sky seemed to foreshadow the deadly summer of fire that would engulf the northern Rockies.
It's raining out in Soho, you're telling me don't go, tucked outside a bar door. What are we alive for? I could call a car, or we could walk down the avenue. Wrote a song for you about that spot in Ireland you got on the table when that man played his sad songs. Me and all my drunken friends, you danced there night at 2. That night I wrote a song for you.